Hello student, today I am going to teach you linear programming. Solution of linear programming problem. There are two methods to find the solution of linear programming problem. First, graphical method. Second, simplex method. We shall restrict ourselves to graphical method. Definition: solution of LPP. Solution of LPP, a set of values. The decision variable, say x1, x2, x3, etc., which satisfies all the constraints of the linear programming problem is called solution of the linear programming problem. Next point, feasible solution. A solution which satisfies the given constraint is called feasible solution. Optimum feasible solution. A feasible solution which maximize or minimize the objective function as per the requirement of the linear programming problem is called optimum feasible solution. Feasible region, the common region determined by all the constraint and non-negative restriction of a linear programming problem is called feasible region. The boundaries may or may not be included in the feasible region. Convex polygon theorem for feasible region. Convex polygon theorem for feasible region. Convex polygon means if the feasible region is closed, then it is in the form of a polygon which is called convex polygon. Convex polygon theorem for feasible region is if the feasible region of a linear programming problem is a convex polygon, then the problem has an optimum solution and it lies on at least one of the vertices, corner point of the convex polygon. Next point, solution of LPP by graphical method. First, corner point method. Convert all inequalities of the constraint into equation. Second, draw the line in xy plane. Locate common region indicated by the constraint. This common region is feasible region. Find the vertices of feasible region. Find the value of objective function z at all vertices of the feasible region. Examples: solving the following linear programming problem by using graphical method. Maximize z is equal to 11x plus 8y. In this example, z is equal to 11x plus 8y is a objective function. X less than or equal to 4, first constraint. Y less than or equal to 6, second constraint. X plus y less than or equal to 6, third constraint. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0, non-negativity constraint. that is fusible region, first quadrant. To determine value of x and y, by which we can obtain maximum value by graph. These three constants can be written equation from x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 6. First line AB, x is equal to 4. Second line CD, y is equal to 6. And third line ED. Draw table. First column line, second column equation, third point on x-axis, point on the y-axis, next column sign, next column region lies on. Line, three line AB, CD and ED, and that equations are x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 6. Point on x-axis, x-axis y coordinates 0. Point on x-axis, first point A, 4, 0, y coordinate 0. Sign x, first constant x less than or equal to 4. That is, line is parallel to y-axis and passing through 4, 0. And its region lies on origin side. Second line CD. CD equation y is equal to 6. Point on y-axis, x coordinate 0. Then coordinates 0, 6. Second constant less than or equal to. Region lies on origin side. Third line ED. X plus y is equal to 6. Put x is equal to x, point on the x-axis, put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 6. E coordinate 6, 0. Second time put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, 0 plus y is equal to 6, that is y is equal to 6. Third constant less than or equal to, that is region lies on origin side. First, second and third less than or equal to. Three constant origin side. Observe graph. First draw coordinate axis. Coordinate axis xy. First constant x less than or equal to 4. X less than or equal to 4. Equation x, write as x is equal to 4. Plot the point first 4, 0. Draw the line AB. Draw the line AB. Second constant y less than or equal to 6. That is line y is equal to 6. Passes through point 0, 6. Draw line CD. X is equal to 4. Line parallel y-axis. Y is equal to 6. Line parallel x-axis. Third line passes through the point 6, 0. Plot the point 6, 0 and plot the point 0, 6. Join the line ED. Third line, join the line ED. Now look first constraint, x less than or equal to 4. Below the line, x less than or equal to 4, below the line has its solution towards origin. Has its solution towards origin. Second constraint, y less than or equal to 6. Y less than or equal to 6 also has its solution towards origin. Has its solution towards origin below the line. Third constraint, x plus y less than or equal to c. Also below the line. In order to find feasible region, both the constraints are less than or equal to. So feasible region should be below the 3 line. Now you find feasible region. Just see 3 constraints. Intersection of all these common region. Intersection of all these common region, which is feasible region, which is shaded in the figure. The feasible region is corner point O, A, P, D, O. Feasible region OA, P, D, O. This is total shaded portion is a feasible region. The vertices of the feasible region are origin 0, 0. Point vertices A is equal to 4, 0. P be the point of intersection of the line x is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 6 and D coordinate 0, 6. To find the coordinate of P. P be the point of intersection of the line AB and ED, and that's equations are x plus y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 4. Substituting x is equal to 4. 4 plus y is equal to 6, therefore y is equal to 2. P coordinate 4, 2. P is equal to 4, 2. To find objective function, value of objective function given to be z is equal to 11, given equation z is equal to 11x plus 8y. At these vertices are vertices corner point O, A, P, D, O. First z in bracket O, vertices 0, 0, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 11 into 0 plus 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Second vertices A, z of A is equal to 4, 0. 11 into 4 plus 8 into 0, 44. Next point P. P is equal to 4, 2. Z in bracket P is equal to 11 into 4 plus 8 into 2, 60. Next vertices D. D is equal to 0, 6. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, 48. Observe O, A, P, Z of 0, Z of A, Z of P, Z of D, maximum value 60 at point 42. Maximum value 60 at point 42. Second example, maximize Z is equal to 10x1 plus 25x2 subject to 0 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to 3. 0 less than or equal to x2 less than or equal to 3, x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 5. Find maximum value of z. Z is equal to 10x1 plus 25x2 is a objective function. First constraint 0 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to 3, that is x1 less than or equal to 3, x1 greater than or equal to 0. Second constraint x2 less than or equal to 3, x2 greater than or equal to 0. And third constraint x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 5. First, we draw the line AB, CD and EF, and that's equations are x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 3 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. Draw table. First column line, second column equation, third point on x-axis, point on y-axis, sign region lies on. First line AB equation x1 is equal to 3, CD equation x2 is equal to 3 and EF x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. x1 is equal to 3 parallel y-axis, x2 is equal to 3 parallel x-axis. Coordinates 3 0 passes through the point here 3 0. Second line CD passes through the point 0 3. First constraint less than or equal to, second also less than or equal to, region lies on origin side. Third line EF equation x1 plus x2 is equal to 5, point on x-axis, put x2 is equal to 0, coordinates x1 is equal to 5, second coordinate 0. Point on y-axis x2 is equal to 0, that is x1 is equal to 5. Region less than or equal to, sign less than or equal to, region lies on origin side. First, second and third region lies on origin side. First, draw coordinate axis. Plot first line x is equal to 3. Plot the point x is equal to 3, passes through the point 3 0. Draw the line AB, name AB. Second line x2 is equal to 3. Plot the point 0 3. Plot the point 3. Draw the line CD. Third line vertices 5 0 and 0 5. Draw the line, join the line EF. Now look first constraint x1 less than or equal to 3. x1 less than or equal to 3 below the line has its solution towards origin. Second constraint x2 less than or equal to 3 below the line, its solution also towards origin. Third constraint x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 5 below the line towards the origin. In order to find fusible region, both the constraints are less than or equal to. In order to find fusible region, both the constraints are less than or equal to So fusible region should be below the 3 line. Now you find region, just see 3 constraint. Intersection of all these common region, which is a fusible region, which is shaded in the figure. Fusible region O, A, P, Q, D, O. Its vertices are first O 0 0, A vertices 3 0, P, say next vertices Q, next vertices D vertices is equal to 0 3. To find vertices P and Q, P be the point of intersection of the line x1 is equal to 3 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. Solving these two equations, substituting x1 is equal to 3 plus x2 is equal to 5, therefore x2 is equal to 2. P coordinate 3 2. Q, next point Q is the point of intersection of the line x2 is equal to 3 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. Solving these two equations, put x2 is equal to 3, x1 plus 3 is equal to 5, therefore Q is equal to coordinate x1 2, x2 3. Find objective function. Z is equal to 10x1 plus 25 x2 at these vertices are fusible region. First vertices O, coordinate 0 0, x1 0, x2 0. 10 into 0 plus 25 into 0 is equal to 0. Next vertices A passes through the point 3 0. Put x1 3, x2 0. 10 into 3, 25 into 0, 30. Z of P, 10 into 3 plus 25 into 2, 18. Z of Q vertices 2 3, 10 into 2 plus 25 into 3, 75. 95. D 0 3 0 3. Z is equal to 10 into 0 plus 25 into 3, 75. Therefore, Z has maximum value 95 when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Next example, maximize Z is equal to 7x plus 11y. Z is equal to 7x plus 11y is an objective function. Objective function. Here first constraint 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 26. Second constraint 5x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. X greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0. Non-negativity constraint. Fusible region first quadrant. To determine the value of x and y, find maximize value. Two constraint can be written in equation form. 3x plus 5y is equal to 26. Second constraint 5x plus 3y is equal to 13. Draw table. First column line, second column equation, third column point on x-axis, point on y-axis, sign less than or equal to. In this example, two line AB and CD. AB equation 3x plus 5y 26, CD equation 5x plus 3y 30. Point on x axis, put y is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 26, that is x is equal to 26 by 3, 0. Point on y axis, x is equal to 0, 5y 26, y is equal to 26 by 5. Region less than or equal to origin side. 5x plus 3y 30. Point on x axis, y 0, that is 5x is equal to 30, x is equal to 60. Similarly, put x is equal to 0, 3y is equal to 30, y is equal to 10. Sign less than or equal to origin side. Draw the graph. First, draw coordinate axis. Plot the point 26 by 3, 8.86. Plot the point first A, second point 5.6. Plot the point B. Draw the line AB. Next vertices 6, 0 and 0, 10. Line CD. Plot the point 6, 0 and plot the point 0, 10. Draw the line CD. Now look first constraint. 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 26. Less than or equal to 26 below the line has its solution towards origin. Second constraint 5x plus 3y less than or equal to 30 below the line has its solution also towards origin. In order to find fusible region, both the constraint less than or equal to. So fusible region should be below the two line. Intersection of two common region, which is a fusible region. Shaded portion is a fusible region. The fusible region O, corner point O, C, P, B, O. Vertices. First, origin 0, 0. Second, C. C is equal to passes through point 6, 0. 6, 0. To find point of intersection P. B. B vertices 0, 5. P be the point of, to find P be the point of intersection of the line 5x plus 3y is equal to 30 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 26. Solving these two equations. Multiplying equation 1 by 5. Solving these two equations, x value 4.5, substituting x 4.5 in equation 1, and therefore y value 2.5. Therefore p is equal to 4.5, 2.5. The value of the objective function z is equal to 7x plus 8y. Fusible region, first vertices, first point O, 0, 0. Put x 0, y 0. Second C, put x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0, 42. Next vertex is P is equal to 4.5, 2.5, x 4.5, y value 2.5, substituting is equal to answer 59. Z of B vertex is 0, 26 by 5, 7 into 0 plus 26 by 11 into 26 by 5 is equal to 286 by 5, that is 57.2. Therefore, Z has maximum value. Z has maximum value 59 when x is equal to 4.5, y is equal to 2.5. Next example, minimize. Z 7x plus y objective function. First constraint 5x plus y greater than or equal to 5. Second constraint x plus y greater than or equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Feasible region, first quadrant, non-negativity, this is restriction. In this example, two lines. First line 5x plus y greater than or equal to, second also greater than or equal to. These two lines write as 5x plus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 3. Draw table. First column line equation, point on x-axis, point on y-axis, sign, region lies on. First line AB, second line CD, and that's equations are 5x plus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 3. Point on x-axis, y coordinate 0, a coordinate x-axis y 0, that is 5x is equal to 5, therefore x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. Point on y-axis, x coordinate 0. Similarly, to find vertices CD, region lies on greater than or equal to non-origin side. Draw the graph. First draw coordinate axis. Plot the point A and plot the point B. Plot the point A. A is equal to 1 0, B 0 5. Draw the line AB. C 3 0. Plot the point 3 0 and plot the point 0 3. Join the line CD. Now look, first constraint 5x plus y greater than or equal to 5. Above the line, C constraint x plus y greater than or equal to 3, also above the line. Outer whole region is the fusible region. P be the point of intersection of these two lines. Fusible region is X, C, P, B, Y. Outer portion fusible region. Fusible portion name X, C, P, B, Y. The vertices of the fusible region are C 30, P and B 05. To find coordinates P. P be the point of intersection of the line x plus y is equal to 3 and 5x plus y is equal to 5. Solving these two equations. On subtracting, y get cancelled. 4x is equal to 2. Therefore, x 1 by 2. Substituting x is equal to 1 by 2 in x plus y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to value 5 by 2. Therefore, P is equal to coordinate 1 by 2, 5 by 2. The value of the objective function z is equal to 7x plus y at these vertices are: first C, fusible region, first vertex is C is equal to coordinates 3, 0. Put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. 7 into 3 plus 0, 21. P is equal to 1 by 2, 5 by 2. Put x 1 by 2 and y value 5 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. Z of B 0, 5. Put 7 into 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, Z has minimum value 5. Find minimized value. Z has minimum value 5 when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5. Next example, minimize Z is equal to 8x plus 10y subject to 2x plus y greater than or equal to 7, 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 15, y greater than or equal to 2, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Find minimized value of z. Z is equal to 8x plus 10y is a objective function. There are three constraints: first, second, third. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0, non-negativity constraint, fusible region, first quadrant. Convert this constraint in equation form. 2x plus y is equal to 7, 2x plus 3y is equal to 15 and y is equal to 2. 2x plus y is equal to 7. This is line AB, second CD and third line EF. Third line EF, y greater than or equal to 2. Y greater than or equal to 2, that is line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, y coordinates, parallel to x-axis, F is equal to coordinate 0, 2. First line greater than or equal to, second greater than or equal to, third also greater than or equal to. Origin lies on non-origin side. First, draw coordinate axis x, y. Plot the point. First, draw the line AB. Next point, plot the point C and D. Join line CD. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Line is parallel to x-axis. Above the third line, above the line, first line AB. Now look, first constraint 5x, first constraint 2x plus y greater than or equal to 7. Greater than or equal to 7, above the line. C constraint 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 15, also above the line. Y greater than or equal to 2. line parallel to x axis above the line. Fusible region is E, P, Q, B, Y. Shaded portion is a fusible portion. E, P, Q, B, Y is a fusible region. The vertices of the fusible region are P, second coordinate Q, B vertices 0, 7. To find P and Q, P be the point of intersection of the line y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. Solving these two equations, y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. Put y is equal to, substituting y is equal to 2. 2x plus 6 is equal to 15. Therefore, x value 4.5. Therefore, P is equal to 4.52. Q is the point of intersection of the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 15 and 2x plus y is equal to 7. On subtracting these two equations, 2x get cancelled. 3y minus y, 2y is equal to 15 minus 7, 8. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Therefore, x value, substituting y is equal to 4 in equation 2, x value 1.5. Therefore, q is equal to 1.54. The value of objective function z is equal to 8x plus 10y. At these vertices are objective function fusible region, first point P. P is equal to vertices 4.52. Substituting 4.5 and y is equal to 2, 56. Q 1.5. Put x is equal to 1.5. Y is equal to 4. 12 plus 40, 52. B. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 7, 70. Therefore, z has minimum value 52. When x is equal to 1.5, y is equal to 4.